2-1 pitch. Borges can run. Can he catch it? No, sir. Off the base of the fence. 2-run score. Mariners have a 3-0 lead. Saunders with a 2-run double. That's his 30th two-bagger of the season in RBIs, 55 and 56. And yes, next year at this time, that's a 3-run jack.
You know, Michael hits this ball hard. You can see it running away from him. Gets it a good ride and hit the base of the fence out in center field. As Dave mentioned, next year that'll be a home run. Dave, your Mets have come up with a big hit. Those have been hard to come by lately for the Mariners.